Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to change the display name for the many to one field in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to get the average of the particular field. What I mean to say is here currently we are in the library management module, and in that module here you can see there is book price, and at the last you can see the total of this particular field is shown. It is coming with the help of some attribute in Odoo. Now what if I want the average of this particular field? So in that case we need to use the attribute known as average. Now let's see this functionality in the code as well. First go to the code. Here currently I am in that books view. In that books view go for the list view. Here is our list. You can see the sum attribute is added here. Now what I'll do, I will add another attribute instead of sum known as avg, which means average. Then I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, and see now you can see the average of this all the records book price is shown here down. So it is a very small and important attribute which you can use when you need to show the average of the particular field. So in order to summarize today's small topic, what we have done, we have simply added average for the particular field. In order to do that, all you need to do, first go to the view of the XML, then simply add the attribute avg to the particular field. Remember, once again I am repeating that the field must be integer, float, or monetary only. Other than that it won't work or it will show error. So what I have done, I have simply added avg attribute, restart my server, upgrade my module, and we had seen this functionality working. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.